Okay, girls, so the second chapter for this lesson is going to be 6.5, adding and subtracting decimals. So first, we're going to talk about adding decimals. So the steps are going to be exactly the same that we use for whole numbers. First, we're going to write numbers in columns according to place value. There is something special with decimals. You need to make sure that the decimal points are aligned. It should work if you're taking care that each digit is in its place according to place value. But another way of verifying is if you make sure that the decimal points are aligned and then you add them. So let's do this example together and to demonstrate how to do it. Okay, so I have 26 hundredths, 1 8/10, 12 and 214 thousandths. Okay, so we have to add these three numbers. So how we're going to do this? Look, I'm going to write the first number. So I write my 0. My decimal point is going to take one of the squares in your grid book. Then I write the tenths, then the hundredths. Fantastic. Now 1.8, so 1 8/10. So I write 1 8/10. And now 12 and 214 thousandths. So 12, 214 thousandths. And I'm going to add all these numbers. Okay, fantastic. Now, so my decimal points are aligned, as you can see here. So some people get a little bit confused with these blank spaces here. Because I am after the decimal point, I know that I can add zeros to the right and it will not affect or change the number that I have. So let me just do this here. Let's see if I can do it. I'm going to do it with gray. So I can put a 0 here. Yes, those are Valentina and Matthias playing downstairs. Don't get distracted, girls. Stay with me. So now I can add them. So 0 plus 0 plus 4 is going to be equal to 4. And I'm in the thousandths place value. 6 plus 0 plus 1 is going to be equal to 7. Now 2 plus 8 is going to be equal to 10. Plus 2 is going to be equal to 12. So I write my 2 in the tenths. I write my decimal point. Oh my gosh. My decimal point, and I am carrying 1 unit forward because it was 12, so that goes into the units place value, and then I have 1 plus 1, which is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and then 0 plus 0 plus 1 is going to be equal to 1. So my answer is going to be 14 and 274 thousandths. Okay, girls, I hope you find this useful. There is one more video and we finish this lesson.